Yes, very well.
Okay, sir. And my another question is, which business segment had a most significant impact on revenue and profit growth this quarter?
Overseas is giving more margins and all. And in domestic also, we are expanding more into pharmaceutical and food, where we are already started getting good businesses. The margins are much better compared to other sectors.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Yash, an individual investor. Please go ahead. Mr. Yash, your line has been unmuted. Please go ahead with your question. Mr. Yash, your line has been unmuted. Please go ahead with your question. Due to no response, we will move on to the next participant, which is from the line of Mahesh Seth from VY Capital Advisors. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for a good set of numbers. And I had 2-3 questions. So my first one is, what key risks are you monitoring and how are you preparing to mitigate them?
I can't get you.
Hello?
Yeah.
I'll just repeat my question. So what key risks are you monitoring and how are you preparing to mitigate them? Risk.
There is no such any risk in that, because whenever we quote and we take that with due diligence of the client, their financial strength and their payout terms. So I don't think that there is any risk on that current business.
Okay, so due diligence. Okay.
So we are doing for last 35 years. So we are knowing the risk elements in the business.
Yeah.
And we never come across with any such kind of big surprise or any such major issue or problem.
Okay, that's good to hear, sir. And my next question is, how does the recent union budget focus on infrastructure development create opportunities for your business?
Yes, infrastructure definitely gives the opportunity. Our Executive Director, Mr. Akshay, will reply on your question.
Right. About these infrastructure projects, you might be getting the information from the market. A lot of new IT parks, business parks, all major infrastructure projects are coming, and where we are giving the services of the project management consultants. So we are giving the majority services to the all PMC companies like the Engineers India Limited and project management consultant companies. And we are giving the construction supervisor services to the ports, airports, terminals, infrastructure projects, and all major high-rise and IT projects. So we are giving the complete end-to-end project management consulting support for the infrastructure industry.
Okay, got it, sir. And can you also elaborate on your plans for further international expansion, like particularly in Middle East and Southeast Asia?
Yeah.
As far as the Middle East countries, we are more focusing on Saudi Arabia and likely to have one more subsidiary in Saudi, maybe within this financial year, but it is in the initial stage, and we are exploring to get some handful of business initially. So definitely Middle East, mainly Saudi and few other countries, we are already trying very hard. Also, as far as Southeast Asia, we are exploring Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam, and few other countries where we have already done some good business over there. So definitely that is on our radar.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Aditi Roy, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Congratulations, sir, and thank you. My question is, what challenges are you facing in the operation and maintenance segment, and how are you addressing them?
See, this operation and maintenance services we provide to the running plants, whether it is a power plant, refinery, petrochemical, pharma, food, FMCG, or even the infrastructure. So we provide round-the-clock operation and maintenance for the manufacturing plant as well as the utilities and complete factories. So our team is stationed there, and we provide round-the-clock 365 days services to them. And also, if they have some kind of expansions or modernization, there also we do good value addition.
Okay, sir. I have another question. What is your outlook for the rest of FY25, considering the strong performance in Q1?
The trend will remain same or maybe better you are. So top line also will grow considerably, and bottom line will grow much better than your top line.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Yash Rane, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
So, my question was, are there any regulatory changes in your key markets that could affect your operations or profitability?
Can you repeat your question, please?
So, my question was, are there any regulatory changes in your key markets that could affect your operations or profitability?
No. No.
Okay, sir. I have another question. So, how is ANI positioning itself against the competitors and particularly international firms in your key market?
Yeah. See, as far as the domestic market is concerned, our company is designed in such a way that they give end-to-end services. Like we are instrumental while designing of any plant. So we provide the design engineers and all. While the construction of the plant, we contribute, our construction engineers are there. And after the construction, when the plant is running, we do provide operation and maintenance, or if they require any shutdown or any repairs and all, that type of services. So this company's design is very unique design of the business, where we provide the entire cycle of the plant requirements. And in the global market also, we are highly competitive as well as the expert also. We have almost 35 years of experience into providing these services. So we are highly proven track record, highly proven customers. So we have the repeat customers globally as well as locally. So getting a good business in both the areas, domestic as well as the global.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next follow-up question is from the line of Niket Agarwal from Alacrity Securities Limited. Please go ahead.
Sir, my question is that what are you expecting that overseas sales contribution in your total sales in the next year?
थोड़ा loudly बोलेंगे please.
Sir, my question is that what are you expecting at 25 that overseas sales contribution in total sales, sir?
Sales contribution.
Sir, overseas sales contribution in the total revenue, sir.
Overseas sales for this particular financial year should be at least 40 to 50% more than the previous year.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Are you okay with this, or you have any other question?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next follow-up question is from the line of Tara from VY Capital Advisors. Please go ahead. Ms. Tara, your line has been unmuted. Please go ahead with your question.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So what are the steps that you are taking to enhance the environment, social, and, basically the ESG?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Please speak loudly, please.
Yeah. So I'm saying that what are the steps that you are taking care of ESG?
Madam, this clause is not applicable for us because we are the purely deputation of all that. This clause is applicable for the manufacturing unit.
Okay, and my last question is that how do you plan to improve your investment communication and transparency and overall maintaining good communication with investors?
Yeah, for that we have already hired the agencies, and we always believe on the fair governance and investor communication. Whatever the results we are declaring, that will be making the transparency in that. And we have already hired the agency, and they are communicating with all the investors. Hello? Hello?
Ms. Tara?
Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Ms.
Okay.
Tara, I hope your
Okay,
question has been answered. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take this as the last question. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Preeti Bharadwaj from Kirin Advisors for closing comments.
The conference call of ANI Integrated Services Limited. If you have any queries, you can write us at research@kirinadvisor.com. Once again, thank you everyone for joining the conference call.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
On behalf of Kirin Advisors, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines. Thank you.
Thank you so much.